Hi there, in this video we will discuss the triggers in the eKanban system. Let's get going. First click on the icon for triggers to take us to the trigger screen. Here we first need to select the supplier by clicking on the drop-down list and selecting the correct supplier. Now here we can see that there are incomplete triggers, completed triggers, and show all the triggers. Incomplete triggers will show you on the list below all the incomplete triggers. Completed triggers will show you on the list below all the completed triggers. And show all will be a combination of the two. Firstly, to add a trigger, click on the green plus sign. Select from the drop-down list the part number you would like to create a trigger for. Now complete the quantity and save. You will see under the incomplete triggers the new trigger that you created. To delete a trigger, you need to select the part number you want to delete and then click on the red cross. You will see that it is not under the incomplete list as well as the completed list. I would not recommend doing this as you lose all traceability. It can also cause stock numbers not to align. Next, let's look at the printing of triggers. If you look under the plan column, you will see that the status of some of the triggers are true. This means it has been printed. Let's select the trigger with a false status and hit the print button. It will immediately take you to another screen where you can print the trigger. Here you can see you have trigger 1 of 1 triggers. You can see the quantity is 5 and it will show the location if this option is selected. Hit the print button again and it takes you to the print screen. I will just save this ticket, but you can print it on a printer or bar-coded printer on labels. This is the preferred method. You will see that the status has not changed. Let's go out of this screen and come back. Remember to select the correct supplier. Yes, now it has changed to true. I will first skip the completed trigger icon. Yes, we will come back to it, but let's first look at the trigger details. Select a trigger and then click on Trigger Details. Here you can see the different triggers, the quantity for each trigger, the received quantity for each trigger, the issued quantity for each trigger. In this trigger you can see we received 4 triggers and issued 4 triggers. For whatever reason the supplier does not want to complete the order and we will not receive more stock against this trigger. This is where the complete trigger icon comes in. Select the trigger and click on Complete Trigger. You will see it disappears from the screen and appears in the completed screen. This is the preferred method rather than deleting a trigger. Complete the trigger. Then you can run the trigger summary report, which gives you a summary of the incomplete triggers. You can print it. You can also run the trigger detail report, which gives you the detail of the incomplete triggers. You can print it.